Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Wave accounting for free bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Wave accounting, first, open your preferred web browser. Next, navigate to the Wave accounting website. On the home page, locate the sign up button and click on it. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong to keep your information secure. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. Check your email for a verification message from Wave. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log in using your email and password. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Wave dashboard. To set up your business profile, click on the Business Profile option. Fill in the necessary details about your business, including name, address, and type of business. Next, select your currency and set the appropriate time zone for your operations. Once you've completed your business profile, save your information. Now, navigate to the Accounting section from the main menu. Click on Chart of Accounts to categorize your business's financial accounts. Add necessary accounts based on your business activities, like income, expenses, and assets. To add an income account, click Add an Account and select the type as income. Similarly, create accounts for with your accounts set up, it's time to input transactions. Go to the Transactions section in the Accounting menu. Click on the Add Expense or Add Income button depending on your entry. Fill in the details for each transaction including amount, category, and date. Once all information is entered, save the transaction. Repeat this process for all necessary transactions to keep your financial records up to date. Now, let's explore invoicing. Navigate to the Sales section and click on Invoices. Here, you can create and send invoices to your clients. Click on Create an Invoice and fill in the details like client information, services provided, and amounts. When everything is entered, click Save or Send depending on your preference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.